Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my March 2022 Pink Box Hair Accessories subscription box unboxing. I am so excited to get into this because the theme of the month is boho. So this is a monthly hair accessories subscription box, which I think is so cute, so fun, and unique. And a disclaimer that this box is sent to me for free, but this is not a sponsored video. If you're familiar with me and my channel, you've seen me unbox a lot of these because I love this box and I think it is so fun to share with you here on YouTube. The box retails for $23.99 a month, but I have a 30% off discount code right now. It's Christy30. Of course, I'll have all of this information in the description down below, but I can't wait to see what's in here. Let's go ahead and find out. And it is such an adorably packaged box. So I just ripped through the tissue paper. Here is how it's looking. And then the beautiful unboxing experience. All of the products are in here. And oh my gosh, a sneak peek of some adorable accessories in here. I can't wait. So first, let's start with this. Oh my gosh, beautiful feel to this. Is this a scarf? How cute is this scarf? I mean, you can wear this in so many different ways. Tie it around your hair. I like to tie these around handbags to add a little special flair, a little style to something that's maybe a little bit plain. This is so cute. Great colors in this as well. Okay, next up, I thought these were earrings, but they're not. Someone's gonna have to tell me in the comments down below what these are because I don't know. They're very pretty though, but see how it just kind of has this like horseshoe shaped top? I don't know, but I'm excited to figure out what these are because they are very cute. Oh, and this is really catching my eye. This beautiful hair clip. I love this. It's bedazzled. It has pink and white rhinestones on it. This beautiful leaf shape with the hair clip on the back. Wow. So fancy and so beautiful. Very much my style. And then we've also got here, oh, I love this, the polka dots on it. And it's a scrunchie with the bow. That is adorable. I love scrunchies. And this just adds a little bit more glam, a little bit more of a fancy, I guess not really glam, but you know, that boho extra detail to make your ponytails a little bit more next level. Next up, oh, how cute is this? I think this is a headband, but beautiful lace. Wow, and it has the long ties, so you can do a bow with that as well. I feel like these are a little bit advanced for my knowledge with hair accessories in this box, but so pretty. I feel like I'm up for the challenge on how to use these. And then even more of a challenge is this final product in here. This is so beautiful, but I'm gonna have to figure out how to wear this. It's probably easier than it looks, but it has the two combs on each end and this beautiful like leaf detail. Maybe it just kind of goes like a cross. I don't know. I'm really not great at hairstyles, but this subscription box makes me want to get better and style my hair more and get more creative and use more hair accessories. And I feel like this box in particular is very elevated and it's very mature. It's not like you're getting little kid or cheap hair accessories in this box. Like these are beautiful, great quality, extremely stylish pieces. So if you have any tips on how I should wear these, please let me know in the comments down below. But let me do a quick recap of everything that's in this month's box because there's such a range of beautiful pieces in here. So we've got the scrunchie with the bow detail, I guess. this lace headband, this beautiful leaf gold clip, this other beautiful leaf clip, these hoops, and then the scarf. So thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.